Hey everyone, Mr. Gray 3Is here, and I'm back with another video. Now this video is gonna be freaking crazy. This is gonna be a one-of-one first for any Lexus platform that I've seen, let alone the 3Is or the 8AR FTS engine, and this is the T51R mod. Now, let me give you a little backstory on this mod. This mod is to make an engine, or specifically the turbo, have this unique sound. I like to say it sounds like a jet. When you're accelerating or the turbo is spooling, the air that passes through the turbine actually makes a certain noise that kind of sounds like this. Now in today's world, the T51R mod, really, what it is taking the turbo inlet, taking that part apart from the car. Here is mine right here. And what you do is you machine little inserts into the turbo, pretty much making like a whistle with the turbo, but not necessarily a whistle. It's super common on the BMW, like the G8X platform or the A90 for the Supra. And it hasn't been brought to really any other world except for I've seen it on some Kia cars, but it really just has to be like one-off machined at some shop. And in this case, I am getting it one-off machined at the perfect guy. Now this guy is kind of known for doing this mod to the BMW world. His name is G80 Joe. He's on Instagram. He is a Porsche technician. I think he has like 18 plus years of experience. He has a lift in his garage and he mods the heck out of BMWs. He himself has a pretty damn cool M3. I'll put a picture of it right here. And I got to see it in person when I was dropping my turbo off to him. But what he does is he takes your turbo. In my case, I bought a new one from eBay and just gave that to him so I didn't have to leave my car there for a minute. And I gave him my turbo. He takes your turbo, sends it to his machinist, gets it designed to have the T51R mod to it, and then you bring your car to him and he puts it on. Now with the G8X platform, the BMW platform, like the new M3s, M4, and some of the M2s, he can do this pretty quick. His install is kind of like an hour nowadays, but for my platform, since it is new for him to install, I mean, he's super confident in the install, but this is gonna kind of be the first experiment on how long this is gonna take to install. He is kind of estimating 6 to 8 hours or so, but this is going to be the real test. Now, after this is done and we kind of get a little peek of how cool it can make the car sound, you guys are open to sending him your turbo. You ship it to him or drop it off to him if you're close by. He is a little bit above Frisco, which is in the Dallas-Fort Worth area here in Texas. So it's a 30-minute drive for me, but if you send your turbo to him, he'll get it machined for you, and you can either bring your car to him to install it, or you can bring it to a shop if you're choosing. They're pretty much just taking the turbo out and putting the turbo back in. That's it. It's a little bit of taking parts out and removing some bolts, but really any shop can do it. Now, where I'm at right now is I actually literally just installed this trunk. In my world right now, I haven't even posted this video for this trunk. I literally just closed it for the first time from finishing my trunk install video. So I am tomorrow, for me, about to drop my car off to G80 Joe, and I'm gonna leave it overnight so the car kind of cools down so we can work on it in the morning and have it done by end of day, the same day he's working on it. Now, I'll put some clips of kind of what my driving / turbo noise sounds like. If you're curious what I've done to my turbo right now, I have an intake, turbo muffler delete, I have a charge pipe, and I have a tune from D3 Performance. Now, I have a whole separate video on it right here on what all I've done to my turbo, how to give it its sound, but now I'm adding one extra piece to it, the T51R mod. Enough talking, let's get into this. I'll see you when I'm dropping my car off to his place. And I'm so freaking pumped for this. It's gonna be so cool and it's gonna give such a unique sound. I'm hoping this kind of brings light to this for the Lexus platform, specifically the 8AR FTS, because it does have the turbo 4-cylinder from the factory. Unless you have an aftermarket turbo on your naturally aspirated car, then send it to him. He'll get you right. And I do wanna add, this mod is purely cosmetic. It's just for sound, but it doesn't require any different tuning, any different aftermarket parts with it. It doesn't improve power, it actually stays everything the same. It's just gonna change the way it sounds. So, here we go. Driving there now. What a beautiful evening it is. The sunset's so nice. It's 81 degrees outside. That's definitely a Texas February. And yeah, heading to Antimatter Performance is the name of his shop, G80 Joe's garage shop. Look him up on Google, on Instagram and all that. I'll leave it in the description also. But he is the place to go for stuff like this. Damn, there's the milling on it. It looks so good. Wow.
Yeah, that's gonna be sick.
Damn.
That's gonna make you little holes right here on the side, like how it kind of like tunnels. So the air goes in, and then the air comes out.
That's so
That's
sick.
how it whistles, literally.
Just a chill vibe, you know. Got the police chilling with my shop guy right here. There's a Lexus right there. Oh, picking it up. I can't wait to show this to y'all. This is gonna be so freaking sick. This is his exhaust. G80 Joe's full titanium. So sick.
Sick, bro.
Oh my god. Holy shit. That's so cool. Wow. All right, I'm about to leave his shop. Joe is the man. Oh my god, it's so freaking sick from that last clip. I'm about to put a mic in the engine bay so we can get some good like close-up clips of the sound and whatnot. That's why my hood is open right there. It is 9:18, so sorry if my voice sounds a little bit tired. It's kind of end of a long day for me, but this is gonna be freaking sick. So gonna get a couple driving clips of it here, and then I'm going to a meet in the morning, so maybe I'll get some clips of it then, also kind of on the way to the meet. But let's catch my raw reaction of first time driving this. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm so excited. All right, first raw reaction driving it. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Alright. Oh. Holy crap. This is so cool. Holy shit. I just pulled over to this random complex. I don't even know what this is, but it sounds insane. Holy crap. I'm geeking out. This is crazy. I never thought my freaking car could sound like this. This is crazy. Oh my god. Huge shout out to Antimatter Performance. Joe, thank you for your hospitality, for your hard work. I mean, he is precise with his work, and oh my god. Yeah, this is okay. I'm gonna enjoy this drive home. I'll get back to you guys in daylight, and holy crap, this is so cool. I'm on the way to the meet. It's the next day, and guys, this sounds crazy. It like turns heads like crazy. On my drive home last night, it was so fun. There were a couple of cars that had their tops down, and I got up next to them, and they broke their neck towards me. I was like, oh, that's so cool. But dude, it's so fun. I don't know what else to say besides it's amazing. Highly recommend it. Definitely reach out to Joe, inquire on it. Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything negative to say about it. It's not annoying either. I mean, you can drive without trying to like hear it, if that makes sense, but it's, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want to hear it. It's freaking awesome. That was a super successful mod, I would say. I just got back from that meet that I was on the way to. Dude, it is so fun to hear the spool, and I swear the machine part out of the turbo makes the like flutter of the turbo louder, not even just that whistle part. But overall, it is freaking awesome. It feels like I'm driving a whole new car, and I feel like that's a little bit needed after owning, you know, a car for years and years and years. And sometimes you just want to spruce it up a little bit. So for me, within the span of 3 days, I got this T51R mod done, and then also this carbon trunk with the clear taillights. So altogether, the car has had some significant changes for me in real time, but I think this is a totally worth it mod. Please reach out to G80 Joe at Antimatter Performance for your inquiries. He can do any car that has a turbo. This is the first time he's done a Lexus one, and reach out to him. Even if you need to have it installed like in your hometown shop, he has the best guy for machining out the turbo to get the T51R mod done. So hit him up. He has a very quick turnaround, and overall super satisfied with this work. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's a super unique one. I'm super curious to see how long it's going to take for someone else with an 8AR FTS, the turbo 4-cylinder Lexus engine, to get one. So we'll see. But per usual, drop any questions you have in the comments. I'll leave links for my general stuff that I have on my car, whatnot, in the description. For a lot of Lexus parts, you can shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I sell them myself. My Instagram being gray_3is. Super cool to have a mod that's unique like this, and I'm excited to see kind of what it will awaken for the Lexus world when it comes to the T51R mod. Other than that, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This has been Mr. Gray3is, and I'll see y'all in the next one.